Hello everyone, my name is David from Lightex. Today I want to show you how to add a signature in Yahoo Mail. I am on their official page. You can go there. It's mail.yahoo.com, and I do not have a signature created already. As an example, I'll try to compose a new email and let's send it to ourselves. At subject I'll leave just test, and at the description just test, and let's send it. As an example, to show you that I do not have a signature, and the email should arrive in any moment, and it's here. And if I go inside, you can see nothing happened, no signature at the bottom. So yeah, let me show you how to add one, how to create one. So I'll be on the main page right now, and on the upper right side you can locate settings. Here it's a gear icon. At the bottom you can locate more settings. I'll click there, and if I'm not wrong, it's under mailboxes, no notification, writing mail. Yeah, it's here. Signature, here is my email address. Let's activate this by marking this on, and here is my signature. As an example, let's type Alex to be my signature. I will select the whole text, and let's make it bold. You can make it italic if you want, and if you want to color it to play even furthermore, you can do that. The text is red now. If you want to make the background of the text I don't know, yellow, you can do that. It's not really readable. I will leave it on white, and yeah, the text will be bold, italic, and red. You can add even emojis if you want. And on the right side you will have an example how the email will look like. As an example, how are you doing is the description, and at the bottom is the signature. I will select again the text. You can look at three dots here. You can put your signature on the middle if you want. You can put it even in the bottom right corner, or if you want to go even further, you can personalize everything on an email that you write in the future, because the settings will be saved from here. Now this will do it for me. Let's go back on the home page. Let's try to compose a new email, send it to myself. Subject is test1 this time, and the description will be test1 again, and let's send it. I'm really wondering if the settings saved. Let's go on the main page. I receive a notification on my phone, and this is the email. Yes, the description is test1, and my signature is Alex, red, bold, and it's on the bottom right corner of the email. Now guys, I really hope I help you with this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and leave any questions down in the comment section if you have any. Please have a great day.